Hey guys! Welcome. Hey guys, on this video we took a outing, outing. If you watch Spy Family, you'll know what outing is. But we took an outing, and we took the family. So we just went out for a walk. Went to our local trail.
This was we went to the Arabian Mountain in Lithonia, Georgia. So you guys, we're taking you guys along with us on this small little walk. Hope you enjoyed this video.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
And give this video a big thumbs up.
I'll put my rock up.
No.
Bye, Lottie.
It might be old.
You want to try it, Nana?
What it says right here? What says right there? Priceless?
Priceless plants live in the pools and sandy patches.
Of water, yeah. So for every puddle you see, there's a
This isn't cute. It is deadly.
You kill the plants. Don't step in the water.
Can I step on that rock?
Hey, you see the temples? You got the picture? Oh, you got a video?
Yeah.
Look at this side. Be careful.
Oh.
See them?
That's on this side. There's way more. There's one right there. Wait, can they go out of the water?
No, because they're not amphibious yet.
But they're out of the water.
They're not amphibious yet.
Bruh. Oh yeah, there's a lot right there.
Mm-hmm.
Lottie still the tadpoles
Right,
by.
say bye, tadpoles.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
All right, let's see. Look, you see a whole bunch of them over there. Look, over here.
Y'all ready to go over the bridge? Elijah, where's your papa?
It's not, he fall off and burn.
Al, did you say I'm super heavy? Give me hands.
All right, guys, this part right here, this hill right here, it don't look like it's steep because it's really not that it's steep. But man, we had to stop halfway up because we was out of breath.
Yeah, it was hard. I ain't even gonna say it don't look like. It does look like it's steep, and it is steepish. But it was
the uneven terrain.
Yeah,
made it worse.
And then you walking, and then you stepping down, but then back up.
Mm-hmm.
And then I tell you, when you're walking with kids,
man, they hold you back.
See, I wasn't walking. My hands was free, other than holding the camera, right?
Mm-hmm.
But my problem is that I kept having to talk to Elijah and Lottie because they had 1,000,001 questions. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm out of breath. And a couple of times I was like, dang, I'm still recording. But I had to put the phone down because I'm out of breath. And at this moment, y'all, I was like, we forgot the water in the car. I was tired. I said to the kids, they was like, no. I think you said to me, it was like, oh, it's going to be easier going down. Yeah. And I was like, oh, yeah, all we got to do is just roll back down. But at that point, I was like, I don't think I'm going to make it to the top. But help me.
Come on. I'm going to drag Lottie.
But it was, for me, it was honestly the sky. It looked so beautiful. And it's like, what's on the other side?
Yeah.
Guys, at this point, I'm going to apologize for the horrible, what is it? Photography, video recording. Because look at me. I'm honestly over here just trying to make it to the top. Like I said, I put the phone down. Look at me. At this point, I start running. I'm like, okay, the top needs to come quick. Look at Nana. Yeah, it was a challenge. I have to admit, it was.
We're so out of shape.
We are out of shape. But it honestly felt good and rewarding. But look, see, I told y'all, it looked like we're at the top, but we wasn't. And now we're finally there. We finally made it. And look at that view.
My arm was hurting, man.
That's from pulling Elliott.
I had to keep pulling him, man. He was dragging me. Like, literally, I had to pull
But
him.
no. We wasn't at the top yet.
No, that was halfway. That wasn't at the top
That
yet.
wasn't at the top.
This is halfway. Because after that point, you said, all right, are we at the top? I'm like, no, we still keep going.
See, you're halfway, and I had to put the phone away. But see, when y'all saw when we started, it did not look like it was that bad of a walk.
Because it was it was steep, and then it like arches a little bit, and then
right.
Yeah.
Guys, comment down below and tell us if we're exaggerating, because we're really not.
And at this point, guys, it was rewarding just to get up to this point. Like, look at that sky. Look at that view.
Yeah, it was a beautiful day outside.
It was a beautiful day. It was.
And it wasn't too hot and too cold.
It wasn't. It was like perfect temp, perfect weather. The sun was out, but it wasn't hot.
Yeah.
I'm saying.
Look at me. I'm a horrible camera person.
You are horrible.
I am.
I'm not even gonna lie.
But yeah, it was a great walk, guys.
It was.
And definitely there's like everybody can find little spots, and you can use Google or you can join little groups on Facebook to find like good hiking spot in your area. And like I mentioned before, this is the Arabian Mountain in Lithuania. And you know, it's funny, guys, because I have a really good story to tell, but I won't tell the story on this video. Probably once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I have a real funny story to tell y'all about what happened on this walk. But again, guys, make sure y'all like and subscribe to our channel to help support us, and maybe I'll tell the story when we hit 1,000 subscribers about the dog.
Oh yeah. That was a horrible story. Yeah, definitely make sure y'all like and subscribe, guys.
I hope you like and subscribe. Bye.